take me home, take me to the sky. I got a good feeling. Tell me the only thing you are is mine now. Na 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 na. I got a good feeling. Na 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 na. I got a good feeling. Good feeling. You wanna know is how to hold on to it every moment. Dive into it like my love is an ocean. It's overflowing. I swear it's golden. So good that I'm rolling. Baby, you make me crazy. I'm seeing.
Well, it's our film and we are obliged to say good things about it, but particularly with this album, I really do believe that it's a very, very good album, and I think it has something in it for everyone, and I think I can say this with a bit of confidence because it's already doing so well. So
Right.
we're very encouraged by the response so far, and we look forward through 58888 voice service to reach as many people as we can.
And I'm sure it will, definitely. We are also waiting for the movie itself. Katrina, what about you?
Yeah, I think that one of the best things about this album is I think it perfectly embodies what the film is all about, and that is suspense and mystery. And I think that that's very difficult to get across in music. They've done it fantastically. And there is also a wide variety of songs on the album, and I think that people are going to love it.
So amongst all the songs of the album, which is the one which you're going to have on your color tune?
Mine, mine, mine.
And what about you?
I have a song, not with Katrina actually, with Bipasha, which is a slow song which you'll be hearing on the promos. That's the song I would download.
Brilliant.